Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's another blonde series, and this time we're gonna go a little bit more ash. And this video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair Company. So this is the packaging, and I'm just showing you what I receive in the box. It comes with hair care, instruction, return policies, all those things. It comes with elastic band. I got a lashes and a head tie. So I'm still showing you. So I'm gonna show you how the wig looks like. I don't remember the exact detail of the wig, but I know it's 613 obviously, and it was a bob wig. So I'm gonna have all the information in the description bar, but this is what the wig looks like. It has clips and adjustable strap, and the ends were pretty thick, like really thick. So we're gonna go a little bit more ash than normal. The last two I did more golden. So the first thing, I'm gonna use the Wella Midway Couture hair color, and I'm gonna go in with 6/7 A, so that's ash blonde. And then I'm gonna go with the lightest ash blonde, and then I'm gonna go in with a 8/9 which is a light blonde. And also I'm gonna use 4/5A, which is ash brown, and this is gonna go on my roots. And I just put that on my roots. I'm self-explanatory. I just put it on my roots until I was finished. And when I reached to the lace, I did this method where I saw online that I could use the Got2b glue on the lace to prevent the lace from getting the color on it, and that didn't work. So I ended up pretty much coloring my lace. So anyway, I'm going in with the lightest ash blonde, the ash blonde, and the lightest blonde. So I'm alternating among all three. To be honest, I was just experimenting. I didn't have a specific method I was doing. I just do one color, then I pick up the next color, then I pick up the next color. Was just alternating. So yeah, it's different dimensions, different shade in it. And that's what I did all throughout the back section until I was done. And this was the color that it came out. So because I did the back section before I did the frontal section, because I didn't know exactly the result that I was gonna get, and learning from my previous videos, I always finish and then I have to go back in, and I didn't want to do that. So I was like, okay, let me just look and see how this is gonna come out, and then I go ahead and move forward. So it came out to a color that I like, and as you can see, I weave some as well. So I do the top part a different color and the bottom part a different color. So yeah, I was okay with the color. So now I'm gonna move on to the frontal section of the wig. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. It's a little bit, yeah, I think it's picking up the exact color on camera. So yeah, so I'm gonna move on to the frontal section because I haven't done this part as yet. As you can tell, it's two different color. I don't know if you can tell the difference. So for the front, I'm gonna use, let me show you guys. Pretty much what I'm doing is I'm experimenting at this point. Like, I don't know what shade blonde I wanted to do because I already did two blonde here and I didn't want to do the same thing, and I didn't want to use just ash. So I'm gonna use 6/7A by itself, and then I'm gonna use 8/9A mix with Jaico Lumi 9NG. So I'm gonna mix these two together because this is more ashy and this has a little bit more golden tone to it. So I want a little bit more golden at the top. Like, I don't know, I don't know how this is gonna come out. I'm just trying it. So I mix one part of each. So I did 10 gram of the 8/9A and 10 gram of 9NG with no, I think it's 11 gram each, and then I use 22 gram of 10 volume developer. So these mixture are gonna be the highlighted area, and the 7A is gonna be like the low lights. So I'm gonna do the highlights and low lights at the first. So I'm just doing the same thing, alternating between both colors, and I'm making my section, my subsection diagonal as I go, so everything can blend seamlessly. And I'm also doing weaving while I'm adding some of the colors as well, so that some dimension can be in the hair. And that's all I did. It was simple, easy, nothing hard. Just add the colors to the 613 here and let it sit, and you get the color that you're looking for, hopefully. I really like this wig, I should say. The texture, not the texture, it's really soft. It didn't really shed. It shed a little bit. All wig sheds, all hair sheds. It shed a little bit. The density was amazing. I was actually very surprised about the density of this wig, because normally these wigs and bobs are always so thin, but the density was good. And yeah, so check out Wiggins Hair Company, and I'll have all the information in the description bar as well. So when I was cutting the hair, I just did a blunt bob, nothing, you know, no little nothing, just a straight one length shoulder bob. So pretty much what I did, I cut the first layer of the hair with my shears, and then I go in with a razor comb just to take out some of that bulk from the hair, just thin out the ends. And then for the last section, well, not the last section, and then I went back in with my shears to clean up the lines. And then after that, I started to point cut to take out some of the density of the hair, because the ends were really thick and I wanted my bob to have a lot of movement. And I started point cutting, meaning I put the scissors upwards while cutting into the hair, so it takes out the bulk and kind of thin out the hair a little bit. So I did that, and until I felt like, you know, it's perfect, and then I just run the flat iron through it, and that's it. So yeah guys, I really love this color. It might look like it's same a little bit, like it's the same as my last one, but it isn't. Yeah, I tint the lace with this lace tint that I got from this girl. Send them to me. I'll have the information in the description bar as well, because you know that lace was a little bit too light for you girls, so that's the reason why I tint them. And yeah, this is the end of the look, and I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this. I didn't pluck my edges because I was lazy, and that's why they look so thick, but I think I might have to go in and pluck them. So yeah guys, take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.